But with the start of the shop, I've noticed I've needed a little bit more capacity. So guess what I found at work? What's up, guys? Just gonna do a real quick video for the channel. Talking really quick. As you know, I find a lot of stuff at work. Might as well start calling me the dump guy. From trash to fab. But I've always couldn't see the reason to buy a large air compressor. So the one I've had from Harbor Freight, geez, probably going on 20 years. I've had this compressor for at least that long. And I'm not kidding, it's a Harbor Freight air compressor. 27 gallon, 21 gallon, 1.5 horsepower, 125 psi. Here it is right here. I have it outside and it's been working like a champ. But with the start of the shop, I've noticed I've needed a little bit more capacity. So guess what I found at work? I found this Craftsman tank. It's a 40 gallon tank. Brought it home. The compressor part didn't work, so I took it off, and I'm trying to show you the Craftsman part, but see, it is Craftsman. And took it apart and decided, I'm going to see if I could add this to my existing compressor for more capacity. I did it. Pretty simple. I have my valve coming out with the check valves and everything and dryer, and I just routed it into this tank with a regular hose, Harbor Freight. Took the existing outlet apart and just plugged my hose that I run in to the shop into it. All this hardware, really, guys, is Harbor Freight. I probably spent, I don't know, $20 on miscellaneous different connectors just to get it to fit. The biggest problem was this big connector right here. Had a hard time finding that connector, but I found it. Your local hardware, Home Depot, whatever, Lowe's. Shoot, Harbor Freight probably even carries it. But now I got almost 70 gallons of air and of air capacity for a fraction of the cost for a 70 or 80 gallon tank or a new air compressor. So I'm very happy with this, and it does work. And I will show you. It runs into the shop, runs around over here, and it runs to my airlines, where I have a splitter, one for whatever air tools I need to use, and one for the press I'll even run the press right now. I'll show you guys it still works. Oops, got to close the open valve. See? It runs there. It's working. It works. All my air tools. And if you notice, the air compressor hasn't come on yet. It runs all my air tools. Stuck. That was stupid. Anyway, it does run everything, and I'm happy with it. Free upgrade. Well, maybe 20 bucks. Maybe 20 bucks in parts. So anyway, I just wanted to drop in, show you that real quick. And if I could do it, you can do it. Recycle all the stuff you can, guys. Landfills fill up quick, and they cost a lot of money to operate. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Trying to get to 200 subscribers by the end of the month, and I need your help. Please go hit that subscribe button. Anyway, as always, life's short, so just floor it.